Welcome back to Scipuli In part three, we saw that an indirect statement was an infinitive phrase, and there we have it, per facile esse, that follows a verb of the head, a verb of mental action, persuaded. So we have, and he persuaded the citizens, that is, Orgetorix persuaded the citizens, that it was easy. Of course, that what was easy? We said before that we needed an accusative subject for the infinitive, right? So if Caesar wanted to make this easy for us, he could just throw in a noun in the accusative case. For instance, maybe Orgetorix persuaded the citizens that Latin was very easy, right? Latinum in the accusative. That would make sense. And that would be a typical indirect statement. Unfortunately, he doesn't do that for us, right? He says that civitati persuasit per facile esse cum virtute omnibus praestarunt totius Galliae imperio potiri. Now, notice I have part of this in red and in bracket. That's because that's a separate clause. Notice it's introduced by the conjunction cum. When cum introduces a clause, it's a conjunction. We'll talk about this more a little bit later. And it has a verb at the end, praestarunt. We can set that aside, right? Because we know we're not going to find our subject there. Now, as we look through the rest of the sentence, totius Galliae imperio potiri, we don't see anything in the accusative case, but we do see an infinitive, potiri, which means to gain control of, to gain power over. And potiri is the infinitive of the verb potior. Now, infinitives in Latin are verb forms that are always used as nouns. So that, since it can function as a noun, might be our subject. If we plug that in as the subject, what do we get? And he persuaded the citizens that to gain was very easy, right? To gain control was very easy, which makes sense. Now that leaves us with Potius Galliae Imperio, because naturally we want to know to gain control of what? As it happens, potiri takes an ablative object. Whatever you're gaining is going to be in the ablative case. And imperio is ablative, which means the command. To gain the command was very easy. And the next step, totius Galliae is genitive. Remember what we do when something's genitive. You just put of in front of it. To gain the command of all Gaul was very easy. So here's our indirect statement. This is what he's trying to persuade the Helvetians to believe, right? And he persuaded the citizens that to gain the command of all Gaul was very easy.